If your YouTube videos is low, like you're posting and you're not getting that visibility at all, no subscribers adding, no watch hours adding, then do not panic. Go ahead and fix just these three things which I'm going to be sharing with us right now. I've been able to use these three things to revive a dead YouTube channel. So it still works even in 2026 because it's a fresh YouTube algorithm update. Okay, what you have to do as usual, try your best to make sure you pay attention so that you will not miss any point of this video. And with that much being said, let's get straight into the video. So now the very number one thing you need to go ahead to do is to fix your last video. Now, one of the most common mistake that most new YouTubers or most YouTubers make is thinking that their channel is actually the problem. That is when they're having low views on their channel. No, you have to understand that YouTube pushes videos, not channel. So your channel is not the issue, your niche is not the issue. The issue is coming directly from your content, from your video itself. So what you have to do, you have to go ahead and tweak that very last video you uploaded before uploading a new one. If a video is performing poorly, there are some certain factors which you need to go ahead and check out. Factors like your title, because your title is literally what people get to see before even clicking on your video. And the next thing is your thumbnail. So being able to constantly tweak a title and a thumbnail is what that is going to actually boost that video visibility. So now let's assume that your last video, okay, which niche should we use? Let's assume that your last video is how to start up a YouTube channel, and now you want to go ahead and retweak it. You would want to use a title that could either spark curiosity or maybe a very relatable title. You can go ahead to tweak it to something like, if I'm starting a YouTube channel in 2026, this is exactly what I'll do. Or maybe even saying something like, this strategy helped this popular YouTuber to blow up. You can see that this present title is totally different from the initial title you used. Now, if you monitor most of all these big YouTube channels, they literally do this from time to time. If you are if a fan of Mr. Beast, Dan the Creator, Ali, and some popular YouTubers, each time they upload video, go ahead and check that same video in 3 to 2 days time. You will see a clear difference between their titles and their thumbnail, because they keep testing new titles and new thumbnail to see the one that is actually going to suddenly peak. Just like when I started my faceless bedtime prayer channel, there was one particular video that I uploaded. Due to the video was very long, the video was not just getting the views. I said no, I need to revive this video by all means. So I went ahead and retweaked the thumbnail, I changed the title, I also did a little changes in the description and even the tags and hashtag. I was surprised, within 24 hours that same dead video started getting momentum little by little, and that same video actually went viral. So all these tricks, they actually work if and only if you do it the right way. So do not always feel down each time maybe you post a video and the video does not get visibility. What you have to do is try to think about, okay, what really went wrong in this video. Sometimes it can be your hook, sometimes it might be the video subject or the video topic at the moment. Okay, so being able to calm down and understand all these factors, they're literally what is going to help you with your next upload. So now the second thing you need to go ahead to do is post again. Do not wait. Now what most small YouTubers do, not just small YouTubers, because there was a time I used to do it. If we upload a video and maybe the video performs poorly, you feel very down and you might start feeling that, oh, if I post my next video due to the last video underperformed, it's going to affect the next video. No, that is not how YouTube works. That is how the YouTube algorithm works. If you upload video right now and that video does not, in fact that video performed worse, you may never know, your next video can go viral. Why? Is because the algorithm work is to keep testing your videos. Any video you upload, they go ahead and pick it and they test it. So you have to understand that low views does not stop your next video from blowing up. And another thing is the YouTube algorithm, the way they work is they actually work with consistency. So you being able to bring up more videos on your channel, it's actually giving your channel more chances to be tested by new viewers, new audience. So have you seen that you literally have no reason to maybe skip your uploading days because your last video underperformed. So what you can do is, let's assume that okay, the very last video you posted was how to start up a YouTube channel in 2026, how to make this delicious meal, how to start up afresh in life. That is any niche at all you are. Then your next video, just go ahead and upload it. Yes, maybe if you use the same kind of thumbnail, go ahead and retweak it, or try to look for other things you can add. Watch competitors in your niche for you to get much more inspiration. Most of the times, small YouTubers, when we are getting low views back to back, we just keep on dwelling on the low views and we keep repeating one mistake over and over again. There are some certain things you need to check out. There are some certain things you need to watch out in order for you to be able to know how to upload your next video. I was watching a lifestyle creator here. One lady, I think a Nigerian lady based outside the country. She has been posting for more than 6 or 4 months, getting low visibility back to back. The minute she said, okay, I think the way I am titling my videos and putting the thumbnail is not eye catchy enough, let me go ahead and switch to this particular theme. She went ahead and started using direct title. This is a day in the life of a Nigerian girl living in Arab, abi Iraq. Then her thumbnail, she uses this eye catchy thumbnail. She puts the that is, she literally rebranded her whole content, and that was when the visibility started coming in. And she was like, oh, so these are literally what I have been missing for a very long time now. So have you seen that being able to retweak one or two things on your channel can literally help your videos go a very long way? So go ahead and apply this same strategy in your next video, and you'll be glad you did so. Now, the very third thing you need to go ahead to do is, I need you to head over straight to your YouTube studio and check this particular thing. So now, once you upload a video, you're going to see the YouTube is going to show you the average view duration, impression click-through rate, your watch time hours, and every other details. Now, one of the details that I need you to pay maximum attention to is your impression. Most of us, we mistake impression and views. No, impression is not views. Impression is how many times YouTube actually tested your video with audience. Just like, for example, you upload a video and maybe I come across that video without even clicking on it. Maybe I didn't click on that video to watch. It has counted as one impression. I'm still scrolling again and YouTube still shows me that video without me clicking on that video to watch. That is what impression is. Whether I click on it to watch or not, it's called impression. Now, if you check your video impression, and let's assume that you have like maybe 100 views and you're having 2,000 impression, or maybe 1,000 impression, it simply means that YouTube is testing your video with larger audience and they are not clicking, probably because your thumbnail is not doing enough justice and your title is not doing enough work. So what do you have to do? Try your best to find other ways to repackage them. Yes, because what high impression simply mean is that people are actually seeing your video, but maybe they are not clicking enough to watch. So for the case whereby your views happen to be like maybe 200 views and you're having 600 impression, or maybe 1,000 impression, or even 400 impression, it simply means that YouTube is not testing your video enough. And what do you still have to do? Still work on your title and your thumbnail. All this whole thing boils down to being able to retweak all these details on your channel. Now, I'm also going to use myself and my channel as a very big example. There was a particular time that before I create thumbnail for my channel, I'll need to go ahead and download some images in Google or even Pinterest just to create my thumbnail. But me being able to use just my normal studio background thumbnail, which is at home, because currently I am in the village, yes, and this is my background in the village, yeah. So me being able to use my own studio background and also making my titles to be relatable, that was what suddenly spiked the views on my channel. So most of the time you might be maybe going ahead looking for tutors to pull you through, maybe some big YouTubers to pay in order for them to help you boost your video visibility. You literally do not need all those things. The minute you're able to calm down and start analyzing all these details one after the other, that is the minute you're going to finally start getting that visibility on your channel. Okay, So now some of the other things you can literally do is to make use of your YouTube inbuilt features. Each time you upload your video, go ahead and share them to your YouTube shorts, your community posts, trying to go after popular YouTubers in your niche. Do not leave your niche. That same niche you're doing, is it cooking video? Is it about lifestyle? Is it faceless documentary videos, podcasts? Check creators in your niche, try to study what they do from time to time, and that is how do I put it, reciprocate it on your own channel, and you're going to get that visibility on your channel. Okay, so I believe this video should actually help you. And also there is a particular video that I would also love you to watch. I think it's should be more like a part two of this video, which is this particular video here. It's going to literally help you to be getting every single video you post on your channel recommended by YouTube. So go ahead and engage with that video, and you'll be glad you did so. So thank you so much for watching this particular video. If you find it helpful in any ways, please do well to make sure to like, drop me your comment, and lastly do not forget to share. Okay, and as always, I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.